What's up, everybody? Today we are making avocado fries using our Primal Kitchen Avocado Oil. When shopping for avocados, definitely go for the less ripe, the harder, firmer, even slightly green avocados for this. Because when you slice them into wedges, you don't want really soft, mushy avocado. You want something that's firm that will fry up nice like a French fry. And so for each avocado that you're going to be frying, you're going to cut that avocado in half, and you're going to remove the pit. Then you're going to slice each half into 4 pieces, so into quarters, and remove the peel. So you have 8 nice avocado wedges. Next, we're going to sprinkle the wedges with about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, taking care to lightly coat both sides. Next, we're going to take a small mixing bowl and we're going to blend another 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and a 1/2 cup of finely shredded coconut. You're going to mix that all together so it's a uniform consistency. And then you're going to set up a little assembly line of 3 bowls. One of those bowls is going to be the coconut and those spices you mix together. Another bowl is going to be some whisked egg, like 1 or 2 eggs. And then the third bowl is going to be cassava flour, about a 1/4 or a 1/2 cup. And so you're going to take your wedge. First you're going to dip it in the egg, then the cassava flour, then back in the egg, and then finally into the coconut and seasonings. After you've got your wedges ready to go, you're going to heat a thin layer of Primal Kitchen avocado oil in a pan on medium to high heat. When the avocado oil is nice and hot, add the avocado wedges, and you're going to fry the wedges for about a minute or even less on each side. And really you're just going to take a fork and spoon, and you're going to turn the wedges pretty frequently until they brown on each side and all the sides are crispy. If the oil begins to smoke, turn down the heat. And once they're all brown and crispy on all sides, remove them from a pan, let them cool down just a bit, and then you're going to want to serve them immediately. We recommend serving them with the Primal Kitchen Chipotle Lime Mayo. Try it out for yourself. Let us know how it goes in the comments, and thanks for watching.